Hi everyone, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I want to show you how to change the Canva account settings. So here I've already on my Canva in my browser, and if you want to change the setting of your Canva account, you can just click on the gear icon at the top. This is where you want to see the account setting. Click on that. Okay, so here in your account setting, you can change your name on Canva. You can also change your profile photo, your email address, and you can also change the purpose of you using Canva for, whether you want to change it into small business, student, and others. And you can also change the language settings, and you can also see the connected social accounts. You can see that now my Google is connected to the Canva, and you can also change the theme into dark, or you can also sync with systems. And yeah, you can also change the accessibility settings and other setting. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can change the account settings on Canva. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video.